Good morning, guys. It's ATO. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything funky, fresh? Anything new? Anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just making sure everything's good up to par with the videos that we uploaded to make sure everything's scheduled.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's GoDogs for one.
For this week. Yep, that's uploaded, scheduled. I worked so hard on some videos last night. That's really difficult sometimes. Yep. So it is sometimes hard. Sometimes it's easy to come up with video ideas, but sometimes it's hard to figure things out. But today's project is going to be really fun and exciting. We are going to clean up my closet, you guys. It's going to be really messy because I need to organize my closet a little bit because it needs to be done because it's really messy. If I show you guys my closet, I can show you guys my closet and you guys would tell me that I need to clean my closet. See, this is messy in my closet. Like all this. I don't know. Some stuff I know what I'm going to do, and then some stuff it's like, why am I keeping them? But that's what I'm going to be doing, so I'll talk to you guys when I clean up my closet. There you guys go. There's the stuff right now, what we have in the closet so far. So we're going to start cleaning because it's going to take a little while to clean, but that's okay. I found some stuff that I did not know I had. So that's pretty amazing, cool, and exciting. So I made broccoli salad, you guys. Also, I made Monte Cristos with green pepper, you guys. Yeah, we have green pepper on the bottom, so it looks so good, you guys. So that's what we're gonna have. Right now, you guys, scrap the idea, but we just did it anyhow. But we can eat it when I get home too. We are going to my parents' place to eat a meat pie. His mom made an extra one for some reason. Don't know why, but she did. But that's pretty cool and exciting, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm at my parents' place. So I'm going to watch some videos, you guys, to get some inspiration from YouTube videos, so that's what I'm going to be doing, so I can get some ideas from YouTube. So this is how I come up with ideas. The closet's basically clean now, you guys, a little bit. Now my floor's really messy, but that's okay. I'll organize that sometime to get things organized. Put the clothes away, everything like that. So that's what's going to go on. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I am just headed to work. So I will talk to you guys when I am done work. So I just made it into work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I just got done work, you guys, so I'm just heading home, so I'll talk to you guys when I get home. So right now, you guys, I just got home and that was close, I thought that broke. But I'm just having some oatmeal, you guys. That's what I'm having. So that's what I'm going to be putting in the microwave right now. Because oatmeal is really, really good. So let's try 1 minute first. See how long it's going to take. Sometimes these are instant oatmeals, you guys. It says 1 minute to 2 minutes. Yeah, so I don't know. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!